When someone searches near you, do they find you or your competitors? Meet John. He runs a great business, but he is not getting enough calls or leads. Because today, customers choose businesses that appear at the top of Google and Google Maps. And with AI-driven search and evolving LLM-powered results, visibility is no longer optional. It is everything. Zonic Media helps your business rank higher on Google and Google Maps with powerful local SEO strategies built for real results. Whether you run a home service business, a healthcare practice, a professional service, or a retail or hospitality brand, we help you get discovered by customers actively searching. The result: more calls, more leads, and consistent growth as your business ranks where it matters most. Have questions? Schedule a free audit strategy call. Stop missing out. Start growing locally with Zonic Media.